and tremors rising now. Something stirs beneath the sand. Power no one dares to stand. Cut the air, every strike beyond repair. Armor hardened, battle born, fury shaped in endless war. Eyes that lock and never break, every step a shockwave quake. No escape once it appears, you are swallowed by your fears. Feel the pressure closing fast. Nothing built for this will last. Mega Garchomp, ruler of the shattered land, carving fate with iron hands. Every clash a crushing blow, drag you down into the stone. Mega Garchomp, tearing through the storm of sand. No one leaves this final stand. When the ground begins to break, you are caught, you cannot escape. Sandstorm bends to its command, raging force across the land. Speed may fall, but power grows. Every hit a fatal close. Bladed arms like falling stars, rip a pop of shield and guard. In this storm there is no light, only endless crushing might. Hear the roar beneath your feet. Feel the coming of defeat. Mega Garchomp, ruler of the shattered land, carving fate with iron hands. Every clash a crushing blow, drag you down into the stone. Mega Garchomp, tearing through the storm of sand. No one leaves this final stand. When the ground begins to break, you are caught, you cannot escape. Not a king that waits above, not a force you can outrun. It is hunger, it is war, it is what you can't ignore. Mega Garchomp, break the